All right, thanks for coming, guys. Lori, Matt,
Yes.
Springs Rhythm. We learned two-handed cutoff variations today. So we started with the basic, which was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do that on the other side. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We did a variation, a fancy variation. We 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something with my feet. From the other side.
1,
2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
advanced footwork. You know, double where you have to, triple where you have to. It's a free lesson. Then we did another variation on that variation. We did a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. On the other side, on this side.
This side?
Cool. A 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. And on that one, it's important, ladies, as we're coming around, to keep our frame, and guys to give room so that the arm doesn't come across our necks, that arm touch here.
right, fellas, on that 6, when we land here, we're gonna sort of come forward, shift forward so we don't come across and clothesline her or grab in the wrong place.
And then you just have to get out of the way as we redirect back down the line. So those were our variations.